the void, the realm of infinite darkness. Now, the void is a primordial realm. It is associated with darkness, chaos, and entropy. And unlike most other realms, there is no ruler of the void. Let that sink in. The void is symbolized by a swirling black vortex with faint traces of purple and blue, symbolizing endless emptiness and a devouring shadow. Now, the void is a primordial, formless realm that exists outside the boundaries of light and matter. It is the cosmic antithesis to creation, representing entropy, destruction, and the absence of being. In mythological and fictional contexts, the void serves as the source of the shadow-based powers and is often feared as a plane of utter annihilation. But the void is not necessarily an evil entity. It exists in the counterbalance to creation and light. In this form, it ensures that the universe remains at equilibrium, making it as important as the other forces. The void is infinite and unknowable. It is inhabited by the eldritch entities, who are shadowy beings or corrupted souls drawn into the void's endless depths. It is both a prison for those who cannot escape its grasp and a tool for powerful beings to harness its limitless energy. Now, the characteristics of the void include its endless emptiness. The void is devoid of light, sound, and matter, making it a realm of pure nothingness. Time flows irregularly or does not exist within its confines. The void is often linked to dark energy and shadow-based powers, serving as the source of abilities like shadow manipulation, energy absorption, and teleportation. It's also highly linked to corruption. Prolonged exposure to the void corrupts beings, eroding their physical and mental state, often turning them into shadowy husks or entities enslaved by its will. The void acts as a dimensional crossroads as well, enabling travel between other universes or realms. The void is also a portal to other realms and acts as a dimensional crossroads, enabling travel between universes or realms. However, it is notably dangerous to navigate because of its chaotic nature. It has capacity to trap or obliterate travelers at will. Now, the inhabitants of the void itself are very few. The eldritch entities, which are ancient, unknowable beings that embody chaos and destruction. They're often hostile to anything associated with light or creation. There are shadowy wraiths, which are beings of pure darkness, born from the void or consumed by it, serving as extensions of its will. And then there are lost souls, spirits or beings drawn into the void, unable to escape the void. And over time, they dissolve into the very fabric of the void, becoming part of the eternal emptiness. Now, this realm is associated with powers that people will draw off of it. And the first of which is shadow manipulation. And the void grants those who tap into it the ability to bend shadow to their will. It also is known for energy absorption, in that it devours other forms of energy, weakening anything that comes within its grasp. It also has the ability to erase reality. Anything drawn into the void is erased from existence. There's also its association with the amplification of fear, and those exposed to the void experience overwhelming despair as it confronts them with terror of nothingness. It's very unsettling for beings from a more physical realm. The void embodies entropy, the natural force of destruction that balances creation. While it is neither good nor evil, the nature of its role in the cosmos is often misunderstood as being malevolence. It acts as a reminder of the impermanence of all things. There is a cyclical nature of every aspect of creation, destruction, and rebirth. The void's philosophy could be summed up as all things must end, so all things may begin anew. The dark force is notably connected to many figures in fictional tales and mythology. In Greek myth, there was Erebus, who was a personification of primordial darkness and linked to the void. Nyx, who was the goddess of night, embodies the existence of the void, whereas Set, the Kemetic deity of chaos and destruction, wields aspects of void-like energy. In fictional characters, Marvel's Cloak channels a dark force dimension akin to the void. There is also Demurmu, who was the ruler of the Dark Realm, a heavily void-like nature, and in DC Comics there was Trigon, a demonic lord wielding void-like destructive abilities. Other realms and dimensions most notably attached to the Void have been the darkforce dimension mentioned in Marvel Comics and the Upside Down of Stranger Things, a corrupt, void-like mirror of reality. If you have more to add, please drop it in the comment section, and as always, I ask that you hit that like and subscribe.